Hey everyone, JT here. Now that you're fired up about entrepreneurship, let's talk about a crucial step that many new business owners struggle with. That's the validation of your business idea. It's easy to get caught up on the excitement of a new idea. But before you invest your time, money, and energy, you need to make sure there is a real demand for what you're offering. And that's where the restaurant test comes in. It's a simple but powerful exercise that can help you validate your business idea and gain the confidence you need to move forward. Now, here's how it works. Imagine you're sitting in a bustling restaurant, surrounded by chatters of diners and clings of glasses. Look around you. These are potential customers. A diverse group of people with different needs and interests. Now, picture yourself approaching a table and pitching your product or services to them. Can you confidently explain what you're offering and why they should buy it? Can you answer their questions and address their concerns? The restaurant test challenges you to step outside of your comfort zone and put your sales skills to the test. It's not just about making a hypothetical sale. It's about gauging the real world and the interest in getting feedback from your potential customers. Here's why this test is so valuable and why I talk about it all the time. First, identifies your ideal customers. By observing the people in the restaurant, you can start to identify your target audience and their specific needs. Second, it validates your idea. If you can confidently make a sale or at least get a positive feedback from several people in the restaurant, it's a good sign that your business idea has potential. Third, it helps you refine your sales pitch. Okay, the process of pitching your idea and answering questions that can help you refine your messaging and identify potential objections. And fourth, builds your confidence. Successfully navigating the restaurant test can boost your confidence and give you the courage to take the next step on your entrepreneurial journey. Okay, now, if the thought of approaching strangers in a restaurant fill you with just, dread, that's okay. You can modify the test to fit your comfort level. Try pitching your idea to friends and families, but nicely, how about you pitch your idea to an online community? The key is to get feedback from the people outside of your immediate circle. The restaurant test is a powerful tool for validating your business idea and gaining valuable insight into your target market. So, the next time you're dining out, put your entrepreneur hat and see if you can pass the test.